ECG news for the egg and egg product market in week 49. In these days we have a couple of truckloads on the market from cage eggs industry and also barn egg without cut, and we cannot place them in the industry, also not for very cheap prices, as the industry is really not buying because they are scared to have too much eggs in the stores before Christmas. Even also they are covered for the long-term contracts and they have not a big buying need in these days, also not for the time after Christmas, and they are also scared to buy today already the quantities they need in January or February, as they are expecting to get it much more cheaper in the next weeks, as the pressure on the market is very big and they are being offered already also for long term till end of June and also till middle or end of next year, big quantities with very cheap prices. We hear also from the industry in these days that they have a little bit better market now for the egg white. The egg white is not under pressure so much anymore. The market is a little bit stabilizing and they can put the more better prices they get on the egg white now also on the egg yolk prices, so that the market price for egg yolk is getting down and the sales are going to be better now because of the cheaper prices. So egg yolk is running good in the last days, and we hear also that the whole egg is being searched very well. We hear from the consumption that there are eggs being searched from barn egg cut flock and also from GMO free, of course, and the free range cut is also being searched very much, and the demand on the market is very big. So they have very big quantities to deliver in the next days, and the packing stations are looking very much for eggs to be covered for their needs. From the export market, we hear still the same situation, that the Arabic and the African countries are buying from Ukraine, Turkey, Brazil, and also very cheap from India, which is of course still offering eggs with between $10 to $15 cheaper per box than from Europe. So there is not a big chance to be a good export country in these weeks, and we have to see how it will develop also for January and February. From USA, we hear that the market was very good for the last days, and we had, of course, of Thanksgiving their good consumption market, and now they are coming a little bit down in the pricing and also in the quantities. From the USA industry market, we hear that there's still not a very good market. The market is still totally down and there's not a big demand on egg products, so they are really in a very bad situation. Also from USA, we hear that they are now having, of course, a very big eye on the market in France because of that bird flu cases there. They are now afraid in USA to get in again the bird flu from outside and also from Europe or France, so that they are coming to a point that they want to cancel, of course, the orders they are having from the eggs they are getting from France and or Spain. It has to show in the next days how it will develop with that problem, but we hope that we will not get more cases of bird flu in France at all. If the situation makes it necessary to give you breaking news about the situation, we will come back soon to you. Otherwise, we will hear us next week again with news for the egg and egg product market.